Can you use Canva AI color palette generator? Well, the answer is yes, but however, some palette tools are free, while advanced AI color suggestions may even require you to have Canva Pro. And if that's the case, you want to simply open the Canva application. After that, you want to simply select a design over here first and open one of your designs. And what you want to do is you want to simply scroll to the left from here on the menu option over here, tap on apps, and if the option is available, you'd be able to see an option here called color palette. You simply tap on that color palette generator. You'd be able to upload a photo or choose an existing image, and Canva will automatically generate a matching color combination from that image. Tap a color to apply it to your design, and by doing so you'd be able to use the Canva AI color palette generator. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.